Welcome back everybody, Barry Mountford here. I've been so looking forward to putting this video together. I've got something great to share with you guys. I don't think I've been this excited about a bit of kit for such a long time, and I think I found the perfect addition to accompany any photographer's lighting kit. This tool, the Pixapro Optical Snoot, is going to open the door to so many creative ideas. So this is the optical snoot from Pixapro. Gone are the days where you've got to use card cutouts to create those strips of light, or those tight homemade snoots to create those really small spots of light on products. This does it for you, and this defines that light exactly where and how you want it. It's so easy to use. So let's take a look at how it actually works. So that's how easy that goes together. Now, not only can you use it on your studio strobes, you can use it on your speed lights, you can use it with a Pica 200, you can also use it on your video lights. Now, by simply adding gobos to it, you can actually buy, there's 4 packs available of gobos, all different shapes, windows, slits, dappled light, all that kind of stuff. They're all, I'll put the links in the description below so you can check all of those out. But what I'll do at the end of the video, I think I'll just take a picture of all the patterns that are available on the gobos, and I'll just let that run at the end of the video. So be sure to stick around and you'll be able to see all of the patterns that are available. So it's an optical snoot, and what that means is it's going to accept any EF mount lens. Now, you can put prime lenses on here, you can put zoom lenses on here. Now, the advantage of using a zoom lens, it allows you to zoom that light, so you can have a vast area covered like a backdrop, or if you want to define that light, you can zoom the light right in and make a really small spot of light, say, on a product photography. So if you want to light, say, the label of a whiskey bottle or a perfume bottle, this is going to allow you to do that. But not just that, it's going to allow you to focus that light too, so you can have it nice and blurry, the light, so it's almost like it's falling away, so it looks really natural. Or you can really define the edges of the shape on the gobo by focusing it nice and sharp. Super versatile. So how cool is that, being able just to zoom in and out and just focus that light exactly where you want it? I've never found it so easy to do that. Now, I have used it on a couple of test shots to see how it works, to see how the zoom effect really works, to see what type of lens I'm able to use to zoom right in and get a really nice small spot of light. And as you can see in this video here, I'm just simply lighting the bottle from one side, and I'm using the optical snoot to put a nice strip of light in one of the images right beside the bottle, and also a nice spot of light over the top of the bottle. You see in this test shot, I just wanted to see that defined light, little ball of light on the bottle of aftershave, and as you can see, it's worked brilliantly. Now, I could defocus that light if I wanted to, but this shot I've just left it really sharp just to show you guys. And I've also used it to put that strip of light behind the bottle, and as you can see in this test set, it's ideal for portraits as well, just to add that little bit extra something to the image. You can see I'm just using the ambient light in the room and just adding that extra little bit in the light just to create that effect of a window, like the light coming in from a window. One of the great things I'm really enjoying about the snoot is the fact that you can be able to focus and defocus that light. Now, that's only a couple of ways that you can actually use this snoot. That's just the tip of the iceberg. I just really wanted to quickly put this video together and get it out there to show you folks. Now, I will be putting a more detailed video together further down the line using this, say, on a product shoot or a portrait session, just to show you the effects of it. It really is a great bit of kit, so be sure to keep an eye out for those folks. Now, I know I said this at the beginning of the video, but I do think this is going to be a really great tool for many photographers. Not only is it just great in the studio, it's going to be great on location. I'm going to be able to pick it up and go. I'm not just restricted to using it in the studio because of the size and the portability of it. I can take that anywhere. So I'm really looking forward to trying it out on location. So like I said earlier, I will be putting more videos together, so hopefully to give you guys an idea of how it can be used in different scenarios. So that's it for this short overview of what I believe is going to be my favourite tool in the coming year. I'm going to be using this repeatedly on pretty much most of my images. I know for a fact I am. So be prepared to see lots of images coming using the optical snoot, and more videos using the optical snoot too. So like I said, if you've enjoyed it folks, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, flick that notification bell so you can see when those videos are going to be posted, and I'll see you folks in the next one. See you then.